We are going to sleep on the lake. Eric and I will be sleeping on our paddleboards on the lake. And then you can paralyze yourself.
Swipe to. I don't think these things like my fingers. Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Look who picked me up from the bus stop.
Yo.
Ready to camp?
Ready. What kind of sleeping bag did you get?
I brought a light one because of taking transit. I wanted to pack a little bit lighter and also...
Yeah. Is it down or synthetic?
I think it's synthetic.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Because you'll stay warm when it's wetter.
Yeah, it's anyways.
I'm doing great, thanks. How about you?
Yo, this is subscription only, okay?
Cheers.
And raises risks like heart attacks or strokes.
Good thing Jimmy and I both floss, so
I
we're
only
good.
started recently.
If you had to only keep one sticker, which one would it be?
Let's go.
We got some s'mores, but we don't have any skewers, so we'll see how that turns out. Might just end up whittling some branches.
Oh, probably Bedrock. It's my newest hiking sandals that I really enjoy a lot. And I've been hiking, running with the sandals since Chile. Well, for running, I do use the more cushion version. More cushiness.
I want a water bottle tour.
Bedrock sandals. CNOC, this is the company that makes the bottle. Is it called Nuno? Nuno. This is the company that makes the jacket for your feet. And Line Equipment make like sleeping bag and coils. This sticker I got it from Ryan.
I like that.
Idaho. Patagonia.
Never heard of it.
And my second one, it is also from the store. Pucón in Patagonia area. Torres del Paine, the old track that I did recently. It's a cafe shop down there somewhere. The outline of Puerto Lantares, the nearest town that you stay in before you start your trek. American Hiker, Palante, that's the backpack company. It's a driving campsite, so a little bit of a Forest Service road. I'm hoping that it's a calm day. It is a long weekend, so maybe there will be a bunch of people just hanging out there.
Jimmy, read this sign.
You are probably not expecting to drown today. Oh, so it means the lake is calm enough, right?
No, it's the opposite. They want to avoid people from drowning.
So the sign is warning you?
It's probably for life jackets.
Oh, okay. But why don't they say, like, please use your life jacket?
That's a really good question. We're meeting up with Jimmy's friend, Alexa, and her dog, Alice. We met up at this one camp spot, but it was all full. So we said, okay, we'll meet up at another one. There's no cell reception, and we don't know where she is. What I also think is funny, I was like, Jimmy, hand her one of the walkie-talkies. He's like, yeah, we're already here though, it's fine. And yeah, that would have come in handy.
Oh, were you inside?
I lost you.
I lost you. Because I thought you were gonna go to the other side.
I thought that was it.
Oh, were you able to find a spot?
I did, but I just left it,
Oops.
so we might not be there anymore.
It might be hard to find a campsite.
It is a long weekend.
Is there a spot here?
I think I saw a little bit of a sandy beach.
We'll come out and take a look at the sandy beach, and then we can keep going. Let's take it along if that's okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh! Whoa, the mountains. Oh my god, what?
Jimmy said the plants needed some more watering, helping the shrubberies. Giving back to nature, hey Jimmy?
Yeah. Am I high enough? I mean, am I low enough?
Are you high enough? I'd rather be low in this situation. I think you're fine.
If you want, you can lay out the paddleboard on the side, and then I have a compressor, we can blow it up.
But I need to...
Oh, you should put the clothes in the back seat or something maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alexa is over there. Venture cup.
Yeah.
The most important thing to bring camping.
Every single time. Normally I would say muscle over motors, but I think my shoulder right now. I've definitely had it before where we've pumped it up and had the piston in the wrong position.
And then when you
And
open
then
it,
just
shoots up.
yeah. I invited him to like a home cooked.
Now I was so sketched out,
Yeah,
so we met at Chipotle instead.
this is like the one-handed deal right now because this shoulder.
Erik is all dressed up, ready to roll.
Somehow I don't think. Wait, let me. There you go. Now that's the real look.
Going up with your shoes?
I'm gonna go barefoot. Thank you. So it's crazy to
Woo!
actually.
Sorry.
Like trying to convince people to move. You don't ride this, but I thought, oh, this is so funny.
For better or for worse. Your brain has a bunch of different neural tracks that tells you what to do as
It's like, you know, you close your eyes.
Nice.
That warmth of the sun occasionally you just feel amazing.
We are also at the perfect spot. The sun is beaming at us.
Alice, tonight on the menu we have protein-rich turkey.
Yum.
Gourmet.
How's that, or do you want it thinner than that, Jimmy?
Oh, thinner, please. I think we need a bigger pot. Uh-oh.
Strokes.
Erik,
It's cold.
we are not camping on the paddleboard anymore.
Yeah, I know. I was just waiting for you to confirm that. I was pretending like, yeah, I was gonna do it too, but I already knew I wasn't going to.
Are you relieved?
Thanks so much. Jimmy, what are you making for dinner?
White beans and sun-dried tomato. Oh, the wind is really picking up.
Yeah, look at the water. That's not calm.
I think it's a car camping night.
Yeah.
Oh, here's some good stuff down here.
You want to eat those?
Oh, dude, that tastes amazing.
Does it?
Yeah.
That's good to know. Oh, this is for you?
Thank you.
Alexa, go for the first bite.
Yep. Just like Italian.
Oh, yeah.
Just empty this.
That's so good. Thank you.
Actually?
I really like it. I think the sun-dried tomato is just really good.
Definitely.
Tomato has like the umami flavor.
What?
Tomato has the umami flavor,
Umami?
supposedly. It's like the fifth. Is it the fifth sense or like? whatever it is.
The 5th? What are you talking
I
about?
don't know. I was like watching some YouTube videos. So.
You know what they say, if it's online, it's true.
Well, there is the sweetness, sourness,
Oh, I see what you're saying.
saltiness.
Umami?
Yeah, umami is like
It's its
all
own
of
category?
this. No, it's like part of the fifth taste or whatever.
It's the 6th sense. You can see dead people after you eat it.
Yeah,
Did you go camping as a kid, Jimmy?
no,
When was? Do you remember the first time you went?
it was from my first road trip.
Wow, look at that background. You look so good with the mountains. Only with the girl. Yeah, I know. I understood. I just was trying to not say anything. I knew where this was going. No messing around.
Oh yeah.
Wow. That's actually pretty smart.
Nomad expert.
I'm gonna do the same. Oh, it's hot. What are they saying?
Are they saying bear?
I heard Mayday, Mayday. My first time in a rooftop tent, and I like it.
It was such a bad idea to even consider cowboy camping on the paddleboards.
Also, I don't know what I did with my arm. I literally couldn't put my toque on, so I can only use this one arm right now. So hopefully, I don't know. Don't know what happened. Especially with this mood lighting too.
Mm-hmm. Ooh la la.
Sleep score out of 10 on the Jimmy scale. Sleep score out of 10.
7.
Yeah. Yeah, you make your cup for you.
Oh, I'm looking for yours.
Oh, thank you. Well, then I will grind your beans.
Is your arm able to grind?
I'm gonna put it under my armpit and then just use one hand.
Cool.
Yeah.
Are you gonna do a flip?
No.
Can you do that?
No, I don't think so.
I think we can trust you, right?
Do you like dirt on your pancakes?
Wow. Yum.
You can do it.
Okay, who's ready for round 2? Jimmy?
I'll take a small one.
Okay, actually that's perfect because the next in line is the smallest one. There's either this one or the one underneath it. Or you have to negotiate with Jimmy for this one.
I'll take one of those two.
Okay.
Whichever. Thank you.
Jimmy?
Thank you.
Eric? Oh, thank you.
You're like, I'm happy to take the big one.
Okay, thanks.
Because of my arm being pretty much useless, just take the bare minimum back with me because I don't think I can, there's no way I can carry the bag home. Thanks so much for dropping me off and thanks for letting me leave my stuff.
No problem. Come get us real soon.